Connectivity, electrification and autonomous driving are completely changing the automotive manufacturing industry. Vehicles are connected both to each other and their surrounding environment. Electric vehicles have become mainstream, and autonomous vehicles have caught the interest of fleet and private consumers alike. With new technologies, there's a need for new materials that can meet strict automotive qualification requirements and legislation. Whatever the application, Avery Dennison has a label material to match. Our high-performance vehicle and car labels are made for use in the toughest conditions on automotive interiors, exteriors, and in engine compartments, even on tyres. Designed not only to withstand heat and tough weather conditions, our label materials also withstand contact with the harsh chemicals in brake fluid, washer fluid, and motor oil. Throughout manufacturing and the entire supply chain, our RFID solutions enable asset tracking, creating a new level of efficiency. And to prepare for the future, our team of research and development experts have developed new ultra-lightweight materials and a unique EV battery label materials portfolio to meet the demands of today and tomorrow. Our global presence and knowledge of regulations helps ensure qualification, while our dedicated R&D and testing facilities help ensure compliance and quick service. Whatever design challenge you face, your next label and labelling's future begins with Avery Dennison.